Cloud computing. Learn Cloud Computing 101, Data Security, IAAS, PAAS, SAAS, and many other cloud computing training and courses. Presented by Tonex. Want to learn what is cloud computing? And how does cloud computing work? Learn the benefits of cloud computing. Let's listen to the experts.
At present, expertise in cloud computing is a must-have skill for you. As an IT professional, you will require to have excellent expertise in cloud computing and cloud security. You need to learn about cloud computing and mobile cloud computing and their implications on enterprises.
Literally, cloud computing expertise includes topics for planners, solution architects, and programmers, such as Cloud 101 Essentials, Cloud Types and Architecture, Topology, Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS, Platform as a Service, PAAS, Software as a Service, SaaS, Clouds, Public, Private, and Hybrid Clouds.
Data security is the big facility here. Cloud computing comes up with lots more advantages like backing up and data restoring, improved collaboration, great accessibility, little maintenance cost, mobility support, and unlimited storage capacity.
Tonex is the ultimate choice of enterprises. Tonex provides more cloud topics like user interface, service, data clouds, cloud infrastructure, hardware, cloud software, cloud support tools, security, hacking, architecture and design of cloud computing, OpenStack, Amazon Web Services and mobile cloud.
I would like to mention a few great courses for IT professionals who want to enrich their cloud security skill. Those courses are Capacity Planning Training, Cloud Capacity Planning Training, Cloud Computing Training, Cloud Security Training Crash Course, Linux Fundamentals Bootcamp, and finally, Mobile Cloud Training. I'm sure these courses will be enough for you.
Learn more about cloud computing training courses. Sign up today. Log on to www.tonex.com.